Data security. The organization obtaining the data is responsible for the security of data and will be liable to prosecution for the lapses in the security of data and updating it improperly. You can use internet to connect to a network in any part of the world and see any data on that network. Today, many organizations heavily depend upon first computer processing, and if someone enters into their network and make it unavailable, the working of the entire organization will halt. Many organizations store data of their customers online for providing fast services. For example, a credit card company may put data of its customers online. A bank providing online services will be using online data storage for the records. A bank providing a university may provide the facility of viewing results online. People take online exams like GRE, GAT, etc. As it is clear from the above examples, some really sensitive data is available online. All these advances in data manipulation have given birth to a new issue known as data security. If some unauthorized user views or obtains this data, the whole organization may suffer irreparable losses ultimately. It is obvious from the above discussion that the security of data is necessary for the existence of many organizations and for all kinds of online services. To understand the process of making the data secure, let us first see in what ways the data can be misused if not secured properly. In recent years, the computer technology has become available to everybody at a very cheap cost. Also, specialized software packages are producing all kinds of solutions at a very low price. The result of all the advancement in the technology and its affordability has made it possible to use computers in all fields of life. For example, computers are being used to monitor weather condition, to monitor defense projects in controlling sensitive process like controlling atomic reactors, etc. Business people are using computers for performing calculation, keeping records of employees, recording of customers, transactions, and providing them better services throughout the country or world. Hospitals are keeping patient records sorted and updated by using different criteria. Schools and universities are keeping all records of students, examinations, accounts, libraries, etc. on a computer to provide instantaneous access of data to administrators and the students. You name any field of life, and computers are there to be used to efficiently process data accordingly. Internet has connected millions of computers and people together, and it has made possible the e-commerce, m-commerce, etc. Now you can purchase books, clothes, and all kinds of stuff online by using credit cards. In today's world, online markets are available for all kinds of shopping like software, hardware, electronics, medical equipment, etc. In today's world, many networks are connected together and are sharing all kinds of information amongst the user using email, SMS, and other programs for instantaneous communication across the world. Security violation. Following are some of the ways in which the security of data may be violated. Someone may break into the computer room and take away all storage devices housing sensitive data. Unauthorized users may take access to personal data of someone and then use it to gain some advantage. For example, if someone gets access to your credit card number, then he can use it to do online shopping from your account. Okay.